How to set up auto deposit in Scotiabank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, search for Scotiabank. Head over to the very first site, scotiabank.com. Wait for a while for it to load, and it will land you on the official site of Scotiabank. Once you're in this page, tap on Sign In at the top. Now you will have to enter your login credentials. Enter your username and password and then click on Sign In. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this page. Head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen and then move into Transactions. Once you're in this page, move into Account Information. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and in the section of Direct Deposit, you need to click on View Details. You can choose any of the options from the download. Follow the on-screen process and then you can set up Auto Deposit in Scotiabank. Or else you can simply click on Automatic Payments form. That way, you'll be able to set up auto deposit in Scotiabank. That's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.